This is a quick flip through of the Vision Board book by Free Period Press. So the idea behind the book is to provide over 700 words and images to make creating a vision board super easy. You don't need to have any old magazines lying around or anything like that. So we start with a quick intro about why we love vision boarding, and then some of our favorite tips on how we like to approach creating a vision board. One of our tips is to post your vision board somewhere where you'll see it every day to help you keep your goals top of mind. So we designed the vision board book to cover all the major life buckets, things like connection, wellness, career, mindfulness, creativity, home, and travel. And we organized each page in a color theme. So each page on the right has your different words and images, and then each page on the left is just one larger image that you can either cut up or you can use it as the background for your vision board. And then in the middle of the book, we also have a couple pages of letters in the alphabet. So if you want to include a word or a mantra that we didn't include in the book, you can cut out the letters and create your own. It was a huge priority in creating the vision board book to be as inclusive as possible in terms of including different body types, skin tones, personal style, and personal expression. You can buy the vision board book at freeperiodpress.com, and we really hope you love it. So please tag us if you share your vision board. We're at Free Period Press on all the social media channels. Thanks for watching.